Stories with Tangrams. Hi, and welcome to the 5th episode of Stories with Tangrams. Today, I'm going to read to you Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. This book has been written by Doreen, Cronin, and pictures are by Betsy Lewin. Can you guess from the picture what the story could be about? Let's take a look. Farmer Brown has a problem. His cows like to type. All day long he hears click, clack, moo. Click, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. At first, he couldn't believe his ears. Cows that type? Impossible. Click, clack, moo. Click, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. Then he couldn't believe his eyes. Dear Farmer Brown, the barn is very cold at night. We'd like some electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows. It was bad enough the cows had found the old typewriter in the barn, but now they wanted electric blankets? No way, said the farmer. No electric blankets. So the cows went on strike. They left a note on the barn door. Sorry, we're closed. No milk today. No milk today? Cried Farmer Brown. In the background, he heard the cows busy at work. And what do you think the sound he hears? Click, clack, moo. Click, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. The next day, he got another note. Dear Farmer Brown, the hens are cold too. They'd like electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows. While Farmer Brown reads the note, can you see how the cow and the hens are peering through the barn? The cows were growing impatient with the farmer. They left a new note on the barn door. Closed. No milk, no eggs. No eggs? Cried Farmer Brown. In the background, he heard them. Come on, let's say it with me. Click, clack, moo. Click, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. Cows that type? Hens on strike? Whoever heard of such a thing? How can I run a farm with no milk and no eggs? Farmer Brown was furious. Can you see how angry he is running down the farm? Farmer Brown got out his own typewriter. "Dear cows and hens, there will be no electric blankets. You are cows and hens. I demand milk and eggs. Sincerely, Farmer Brown." Have you ever seen a typewriter? Can you see the one he's using there? Duck was a neutral party, so he brought the ultimatum to the cows. What's the ultimatum? The note that Farmer Brown had written. Let's see what will happen next. The cows held an emergency meeting. All the animals gathered around the barn to snoop, but none of them could understand moo. All night long, Farmer Brown waited for an answer. Which all animals can you see outside snooping? I can see a horse, a cat, pig, a sheep, and a dog. Duck knocked on the door early the next morning. He handed Farmer Brown a note. "Dear Farmer Brown, we will exchange our typewriter for electric blankets. Leave them outside the barn door and we will send Duck over with the typewriter. Sincerely, the cows." Do you think Farmer Brown is going to give the electric blankets? Let's see. Seems like he did. Farmer Brown decided this was a good deal. He left the blankets next to the barn door and waited for Duck to come with the typewriter. The next morning, he got a note. "Dear Farmer Brown, the pond is quite boring. We'd like a diving board. Sincerely, the ducks. Click, click, quack. Click, clack, quack. Clickety, clack, quack." What do you think happened next? Did Farmer Brown give the ducks a diving board? Seems like it. I hope you enjoyed this story. Today we are going to learn how to make a cow, a hen, and a duck. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, the first animal we will make today is the cow. For the cow, you will take a quadrangle, which is the square, then one small triangle for one ear, the other small triangle for the other ear. That's your head and the ears. Next, we will take the large triangle and join it halfway. From half the square down. Next, we will take the medium triangle also for the body, and then the other large triangle for the remaining body, and then in the end we have a parallelogram, also a quadrangle, remember, for the tail. And that's our cow. This is the first time we are doing something slightly different where we are only joining, can you see? The corners are joining. We're not joining the complete sides. Who came next in the story? Was it the duck or the hen? The hens, right? Let's make the hens now. Are you ready? Let's start. We will first take the medium triangle for the beak. Next, quadrangle, square for the neck. Then we will take the large triangle. And this corner will come up. The longer side is on the outside. We'll take the other large triangle and join it. If you join the two large triangles on the shorter length, you get a large triangle. Next, we'll take our other quadrangle, which is the parallelogram for the tail, and finally one small triangle for the front foot and the other small triangle for the back. There you go. That's your hen. And finally, the last animal for today is the duck. Yes, the intelligent ducks, right? Who didn't return the typewriter because they thought that they can also get something out of it. And what did they get out of it? A diving board. Have you ever jumped off a diving board? Must be fun. Now, let's get started. For the duck, we will take a small triangle for the beak. Then the quadrangle, which is a square for the head. Next, we will take the other quadrangle, which is a parallelogram for the neck. Can you see it already forming? Next, we will take the medium triangle and the apex will join here on the outside so that the body starts curving. Next, we take the large triangle and the apex will join on this side, continuing the curve. And then the other large triangle, the apex pointing down, will come here. And finally, the small triangle with the apex pointing up. It's the feet. And that's your duck. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to share your comments, pictures. I'd love to see your Tangram animals. See you next time. Bye.